Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by checking Uconnect version and VIN in system information so you download the right package. Next, prepare a 16 plus GB USB drive formatted FAT32 and label it Uconnect. This prevents recognition errors. Download the update file to the USB root and verify its size and checksum to avoid corrupted installs. Once done, power the car to accessory mode, insert the USB into the center console port, and watch for the system prompt to begin the automated copy and installation process. You'll see on-screen prompts asking to install, accept them, and make sure not to power off the vehicle. The system copies files, then installs. This can take 20 to 60 minutes depending on package size. Once the progress bar advances, avoid touching controls that could interrupt the process. If the screen goes blank, be patient, the head unit is rebooting. Make sure to leave the USB in place. Removing it mid-install risks bricking the infotainment module, so wait for the explicit confirmation message before proceeding. After installation completes, follow the setup wizards to restore preferences and pair phones. Verify success by checking system information for the new Uconnect version and testing navigation, radio, and Bluetooth. If the update fails, reformat a different 16 plus GB USB, re-download the exact package, and retry corrupted downloads are the top cause. If the head unit becomes unresponsive, perform a soft reset by holding volume and tuner knobs for 10 seconds. This often clears.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.